to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to discuss about how we can update the lookup column from Microsoft Power Automate. Okay, so this is my course table. Okay, in that table we have a two column, course name and the duration. Okay, so in this table we will have only a unique value for course name, but in student table there might be a duplicate for course detail, and this is the course detail column I created in student table, which is a lookup column of this. Okay, so if I click on this, then it will redirect me to the course table because this is a lookup column. Now from front end, let's say I want to add any new record, then simple I can select anything, like let's say student name. I can type test and then enter the location, let's say UK, and then I can select the course detail from the front end using the Moldivan app. But let's say the scenario, like somewhere user want to upload the data, or through Canvas app, or maybe there might be some other scenario where we need to uh, add the new data or new student details using the Microsoft Power Automate. Then how we can do? Okay, so let's take an example for this. Let me discard this for now, discard changes. Okay, so in dataverse we have add a new row, action is available. Okay, and student name, let's say I'll type E. Okay, let's say student name is E, and then we have a location is India, and this is my unique, this is my lookup column. Okay, so if I type anything, let's say I type, let me go and check the course name, let's say I type HR. Okay, and if I run this, then it will give me an error. Okay, so now you can see flow is giving me error because URL not passed due to an over data unrecognized path exception, resource not found. Okay, which is not correct. Okay, so what is the correct way to do this? Okay, so here it is expecting to pass the lookup, like one record. Okay, that should be in record format. Okay, or maybe something which is reference to that record only. Okay, so for that what we need to do, we need to first fetch the that record. Okay, so for that we'll use the list of rows in dataverse. Okay, so list of rows, then I'll select the course table. Course table. Okay, so here you guys can put the condition here. Okay, so but I'll, one second, what I will do, I'll use the compose to get the first record only, but in list of rows you can put the filter criteria to filter out. Okay, which course you want to filter out. So here what I'll do, because in list of rows it will give me a number of values. Okay, or we need to, inside the loop we need to keep adding that. Okay, so but I want, like just to showcase you, I'll use the first function. So first function normally we use whenever we have a array or like any collections. That time, every time it will give us a only first record. Okay, first record, or first element you can say. So I'll select here that list of items. Okay, now it will give me the first record. Okay, it will give me the first record. Now come to the table. Okay, so I need to go to my course table. Okay, this is my course table. Now we need to go to the columns. Okay, now in the columns uh, we need to fetch the logical name of the unique identifier. So first criteria is the the unique identifier, okay, which column is belongs to the unique identifier. Then of course we have codes, okay. Unique identifier, will click on three dots and then add it, then we'll fetch the logical name. So this is our logical name, and this is our unique identifier. Most of the time it is like in the backend it's a GUI thing. So like column name and the table name in both these scenarios same, but in logical name there is, in the backend there is every time is a ID. So now you can see this is the this is publisher name and then underscore, and then we have a column name ID. Okay, so this is our logical name and unique column, you can say unique column. Okay, so now we go there and we need to fetch only first element. Then I'll put this question mark, and then here put this. Okay, let me remove this extra bracket is there. Okay, I'll update what is invalid, what is invalid. Oh, this is two times now. Okay, let me remove this. Okay, let me write again first, and then list of values, then again question mark. It will like before question mark it will give me only a first record. Now I want to fetch only the unique identifier from that first record. Then I'll use this inside the single quote, will keep the logical name. Why is doing two times? Okay, let me remove this now. Okay, so this is our code. Let me put on okay. Okay, so now this is our expression, you can say. First function, inside that first function output of the list of rows, and then column name, if the unique identifier. I'll use update. Now through this compose we are fetching the unique ID, which is nothing, just refers to that record. Okay, so now here what we need to do, we need to again go back to our course table, and then we need to copy the set name. Set name is nothing, just like a course table name of a set name. Okay, so we need to, like, through these tools we need to click on copy a set name. It will copy in the clipboard, and then we come to here, and then this is forward slash, and this is our set name, copy set name of table. Okay, then inside the bracket we need to put that unique identifier. Okay, unique identifier. Now let me run this test, directly save and test. Let me ignore this, run flow. So now you can see record is added in the backend. Let me refresh course table. So now you can see is successfully added. So that's how we can add the lookup value through Microsoft Power Automate. This is, so just keep in mind, like first we need to fetch the that lookup record by using the list of rows. Then list of rows will give us the uh, like array or collections. Then we need to fetch only first record. Okay, and then inside that first record I am just fetching the that unique ID, which is nothing, just like a unique identifier of that inside the table we have a unique identifier, and this is a logical name, and this is our set name, table of set name. Okay, so that's how we can do. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. See you.